Hello STEM teachers, what is the aim of curriculum app and who are dealing with curriculum app? In this video we will learn together through the PowerPoint, the story of the curriculum app in STEM education. Press like in this video if you like it, and subscribe to the channel to reach every important video upload, and share the video with others, and write any questions and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this is the introduction, and the link of this PowerPoint I will put in the description of the video. You can fetch it and use it for teaching or learning your teachers in your schools. What is the aim of the curriculum app? This is the brief idea, also the meaning of capstone, the capstone exception general rubric, capstone journal rubric, Egyptian grand challenge, and so on. The teachers create their lesson plans, and not only capstone but in their subject. So if a chemistry teacher, he will prepare lesson plans in chemistry and upload to this curriculum app link. So the link of the curriculum app, this is the link, and I will send also the link of the curriculum app so you can use it for uploading your lesson plans. Let's go in the next points. The supervisors review your documents in the lesson plan. Also the school deputy will follow up and fetch your lesson plan, and the curriculum coordinator will follow up your plans and lesson plans, and also the general manager of the subject development will review these plans. So the general manager of STEM department, general manager of subject development, curriculum coordinator, school principal, school deputy, and local STEM unit, all monitors, all this will follow you in your lesson plans. طبعا نكمل الإيجيبت جراند تشالنجز، الشطرنج تشالنج، curriculum والليسون بلان فورمات. فهنا to prepare your lesson plan or to prepare your curriculum link, each semester there is new capstone challenge for each grade established by selected team. So you will add the new challenges in the application and add the link between capstone challenges and learning outcomes for each subject. And the capstone challenge there is a general exception rubric and there is general journal rubric. It's being modified under supervision of the capstone coordinator. This is the link of the curriculum app. So the link is here. This is the link, and here the curriculum, the rubric. This is the grand challenges for capstones, steps for create your prototype or the student's prototype. Not you, your students will create prototypes and they will prepare portfolio and they will prepare poster and they will prepare test plan and prepare very well for speaking in the exhibition day and showing their ideas and their prototypes working to the judges or the professors from the universities who will judge their capstone, prototype and poster and so on. This is the rubric for the journal. It's found in the link also in the capstone part. I hope it's working. Right. And this is exception rubric. These are the grand challenges, 11 grand challenges, different grand challenges. You can search for your subject here, click here and select your advisory, chemistry, physics, math, mechanics, computer science and the year you are teaching in it. If you teach in grade 10, this is year 1, grade 11, grade 12, year 3, semester 1 or semester 2 or all 4 semesters, and then show components of curriculum app. It aims to show up the capstone challenge of each semester with each grade, but first you have to select semester and grade from the lessons or lens icon, the same as for subject. So the capstone is one of the subjects. It's like chemistry, English, Arabic, French or second language and so on. So here you will click on capstone and the capstone information will be found in front of you. If you like to search for physics, you will press here and the list will down and click physics. Then click year 1 for grade 10 and semester 1 and then show. So this is the curriculum of the capstone for grade 1 semester 1 as example. And this is the design challenge and all about the capstone. This is very important. You don't teach capstone as a teacher for capstone session, but you have to prepare it in your lesson plan and relate your learning outcome to the capstone in this stage. So if we are now in the test plan in the capstone, we know what the capstone is about. It's about purifying water from pollution or purifying air from pollution, or build a prototype website for controlling traffic using artificial intelligence, or using IoT, Internet of Things, or the GPS. All these are different capstone ideas. You have to link, you have to know the idea of the capstone and know which stage in the capstone they are searching for better solution, or the students are preparing the prototype, or they are rebuild the prototype, or they are testing their prototype, or they are in the final stage and prepare for the exhibition. So you have to link your LO in physics or in chemistry or computer science with the capstone stage and idea. It aims to show up the calendar of for all subject area per each grade. So this learning outcome in the first week, the second learning outcome or blah 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 in the third and fourth week, on the fourth learning outcome from week 7 to week 9 as example. This is a calendar, the calendar of the Arabic subject example here. And the aim also the connection. This is the one very important, to connect inside the same subject area between different learning outcomes. So you have to connect in your subject between different learning outcomes, or between more than one subject area. Besides connecting to the capstone subject, you have to connect to other subjects. Your learning outcome with physics in this stage, or with chemistry, or with computer science, or with English, or with second language, or with math, and so on. And here the connection plan or diagram showing how the connection and integration between subjects to be. So it will show you in the lesson plan. You have to select the semester and the grade, and it's a specific location for the teachers to create lesson plan. Okay, it also the connection for each, or location for each local STEM school with school deputy, school department members, all the departments, and all other teachers from other schools in your subject will get ideas about your lesson plan, and they may use your lesson plan or use it and help them in creating their own lesson plans. Here units, the measurements, Newton physics as example, the unit and the learning outcome inside it, the learning outcome. So the first unit has only one learning outcome. The Newton's physics, the second unit has 3 learning outcomes, and so on. So and click at the folder icon, a new page will appear, and the teacher log to the folder which some references or articles related to this unit are stored in this icon. So you can use this as references in your lesson plan and showing them and prepare your lesson and material for the students. When click on the learning outcome, it shows the concepts and skills for this learning outcome. Also it shows the icon to create and review the lesson plan. So in the next slide, you show these 2 icons. This one for showing you lesson plans for you and for other teachers in your subject in other STEM schools, and this for preparing a new lesson plan, new one. So when you click here, you view other lesson plans of other teachers on your lesson plan, previous lesson plan for previous year. While this for creating new lesson plan, you can use the one in Excel template you prepared in your computer, and then copy and paste here after opening this Excel through this icon in the pen shape. This one for the showing lesson plans, here for creating a new lesson plan, and follow up lesson plan for other schools. As example, 6 October, this one, Alex Declaya Asyut. That's for physics. By clicking on the lesson plan, it shows the folder of lesson plans. So if you click on physics 311 and put here, it will show you the lesson plans of Maadi. If you are the deputy of Maadi or the supervisor, you can fetch and compare of these lesson plans. Future. This is very important because they won the STEM unit in Egypt want to enhance this curriculum link. So this who are thinking about or for developing a future. As capstone teach challenge showed written inside the script meaning programming to be automated. It's prepare to read it from Google Doc or PDF file, not sent to you by email, or the lesson plan deleted or stored manually as a backup. It's prepare to create script to do it automatically. No, any supervisor will go inside and delete or pick up this, but it will going or did, it will be did by script, by computer language programming. The lesson plan appear with the school name only. It's prepared to show up the teacher name as well as the school name, not the school name only, but the script will do it for showing the teacher name beside the school. There is no reminder for school principal that tells who are finished lesson plan and who are not. Also a script will remind the school through SMS, mobile message, or by email as a notification. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel with you, Engineer Osama Ghandour, and share this video with others, and press like if you like it, and write any question and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.